my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm going to get my lips filled. Lip fillers. See them how they are now? It's just kind of like pretty basic and like, this one's a little droopy. Let's go. Come on.
And what it's going to do is it's not really going to change the architecture of your lip, but what it does is it fills out the pink part of the lip and give you a little more volume.
Yeah.
All right. The benefit of the velour is that we can make it go away overnight if you don't like it. So it's a dissolvable filler. Okay. All right. Do expect for about the first 24 to 48 hours that you're going to probably look a little bit overdone because you will most likely get a little bit of swelling, but that tends to subside pretty quickly. Okay. So what I tell everyone is if you look like it's maybe a little too much tonight, it's probably ideal.
Okay.
Okay. We'll give you a little ice pack as you walk out of here. The way I do this is I'll put a little numbing gel on, let that sit for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll use the filler. The filler actually has some local anesthetic in it, so your lip will be more numb for about 30 minutes to an hour afterwards.
Okay, so you're telling me like go try to drink with a
Don't drink with a straw,
and
yeah,
things like that.
So absolutely.
Yeah, okay.
And then I want to see you, since you're new to me for this, I want to see you in about a week, make sure we're happy, okay? Sometimes, occasionally, you need a little touch-up. Think of this as sort of sculpting. You know, we sometimes need to add a little bit, sometimes you need to take away a little bit.
Yeah.
You have a good day.
And then your lips are just going to begin to tingle.
Yes, it is. How long does it take to get it no more numbed?
10 minutes, about 10 to 15 minutes. It doesn't take long. Oh, how long does it take to wear off, or how long does it? About 30 minutes. And then the filler has numbing medicine in it, so you get more numb the more filler you get. And then this is going to be the worst part. Your Cupid's bow right here, that's going to hurt the worst.
Okay, thanks. I don't like this. I don't like it one bit. Ooh, I don't like it. I keep swallowing it.
I know you're
and it's going into my tongue. I can feel it.
There's no alcohol swab here. This is the disinfectant type.
You're taking all of my salt can on my face.
Well, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Thank you so much.
Let's go ahead and do the Botox first. All right. Well, kiss for me. I'm going to try to show me your bottom teeth now.
What?
Try to show me your bottom teeth when you're not there. You're going to relax. And just relax. Good job. That was it for the Botox.
And I feel like you didn't even numb it there, so
That area
it was a
probably
little
wasn't
painful.
Alright, now I want you to open slightly. Just a tiny pinch.
Is that it?
That is it.
Oh, that was like the smallest pinch.
Okay.
Sorry, that one hurt.
That one's a little tender.
Mm-hmm.
Local in the open them. Do a little massage here for a second. Looking good.
That's what I want to hear.
Good. And like I said, very usual or very common to swell a little bit tonight, maybe a little bit tomorrow, okay?
Is that good? No.
No, it's
Alright guys, I am home now and I'm going to show you my lips as of right now. They're swollen, they're still numb, and I just want to show you and I want to go in and really show you guys my lips. So, ready? Are you ready though? Okay, ready? 1, 2, and 3. I think they look so good, right? Obviously, as I said, they're still swollen up here. It kind of is, I'm in pain over here. But I think they're gonna look really nice. I actually did also get some Botox over here on both sides here, just because I have like a really droopy side of my lip, and he said we could easily fix that with a little bit of Botox on both sides. So they said that the Botox will take like 3 to 5 days for it to like get in there and stuff, but I think it looks really good as of right now. I'm really happy with it. I'm gonna keep you updated for like every single day, so get excited for the whole process, and you guys can kind of see how you would do it as well if you would ever want to get it done. I've kind of been going through this, like, I've gone through so much, and like I've been wanting lip fillers for a really long time, and I just never did. And once you go through chemo radiation, have to go through cancer and stuff, it's kind of like life is so short, and I'm just like, I don't know, I just think I'm worth it, and it's just something I really wanted to get done. So, and then when I got the Botox, I was telling him that I don't like how my lip like is a little droopy, and he was like, oh, we can put a little bit of Botox on both sides, and that'll totally help that fix. And I'm like, how much is that? It actually was not as cheap as I thought. So no, it was not as expensive as I thought it was going to be. So I was like, all right, we'll do that too. So I'm really excited. So they also said that this will stay for a year. So I'm really happy with it. So I can't wait to see how the next day will go. So this is the next morning, and this is the lips. They are definitely not as swollen, but still swollen. So you can see there's still bruising here, and a little bit over here, a couple up here. But it doesn't hurt as much as it did yesterday. It doesn't like super hurt, but I'm just saying in general, like it's less than it was yesterday. I cannot wait until I'm able to put like lipstick and stuff on. I don't know if I can like put it on now, but I think I'm just gonna wait until like it's fully healed, and then I'll put some lipstick on and like see how good my lips look. So I'm super excited. The next day, what are your thoughts on my lips? So right here and right here, it is still very swollen. So it will definitely be lower, not so swollen, on these two parts, like right here. But I think it's gonna look so good. It's just super swollen right now. So I think the bottom looks really, really nice. And obviously I think it looks really good at the top too. It's just the swollenness. So I can't wait to see how the next couple of days, how it looks at the end. So I will keep updating you, and I'm just very happy. Happy Friday, everybody. So this is day 3. I got it done on Tuesday. I think it was Tuesday, and today's Friday, so this is the 3rd day. My lips feel so much better. This side only has a little bit of swelling. And then this side has more. This side over here, I can only feel like a small little ball. And then this side on the right, or my right, has a bigger ball of swollenness, but feels a lot better. I try to keep my lips like in the normal state, not like moving it around a lot, because I want it to stay where it should be, if that makes sense. I don't really know if am I supposed to be doing it? I don't know. But I think it looks really good. Not in pain or anything, which is good. The past couple of days, not yesterday, but the day before and the day before that, I had to take ibuprofen because of the pain. Well, not like pain, but like I could feel it, and I was like, I don't want that. So I had ibuprofen, and it completely helped it. But I think my lips are looking so good right now. So. All right, guys, so these are my final lips. It has been almost a week since I got them done. I put some lipstick on it just so you guys could really see the difference between my lips. So a lot plumper, not like too where it's like, wow, she has lip fillers on, or at least that's what I think. But I love the results for it. So I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can see. So it did take a while for my healing down here. To be completely honest, on right here on both of these sides, it is still a little tender, just because it could take like 2 weeks for it to be completely healed. But like today is like the first day where like I didn't have really any issues. Most of the time I'd be like, oh, I touched this and now it hurts or something like that. But it is not like that anymore. I absolutely love, love, love my lips. Could I put a little bit more? Yes. I do have some left from whatever it's called. And I could put more on it just because I got one syringe, I think is what it's called, but I did not use all of that, so I could put more on if I wanted, but as of right now I think I really like how it is. Like just looking at my lips, they're definitely more plump up here. I don't want to look like I'm a duck, so I think it's really, really good for what I like. As of right now, and probably for a while, I will not put more in. Maybe with like 6 months, maybe I'll put a little more in there. But they did say it's gonna stay for like a year, so that's absolutely amazing. I don't remember where I got mine done, but I will put the link down below. They did such an amazing job. All right, guys, so let me know down below what other videos you would like me to do. I am also having my bridal shower soon, so that video will be going up soon as well. But yeah, I think that's it. I love you guys so, so much, and I will talk to you guys later.